I didn't even realize I had a cut.
Oh my God.
Gia, don't scream, Gia, and watch me
Stan,
walk.
look. It's okay.
I didn't
It's
even
okay.
realize I had a cockatiel. You see these things? Next year, this is the bird.
It's okay.
I got shitted on my forearm.
That's Kid Rock.
I gotta bring Mary in here. I gotta bring Mary in.
Look at the birds. I'm videoing it. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Hey Stan, how you like it? Hey buddy, how you like it? Yay! Stan, you want to hold it? No? Want to hold it? Okay. Look how pretty the birdies are. Here, let me put you down. Stan, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Go ahead. You're behind Daddy. Daddy has you. Hey! You like it? Look at all the birdies Daddy has. Stan, stay over here. Stay close. Stay close. You like that? Yay! Birdies. You like that, huh? I'll put it right there, Stan. All right, buddy, give me 5. That was fun, right?